Alright, so today we are looking at MMaDa, Multimodal Large Diffusion Language Models. This is coming out of Princeton and Peking University and ByteDance, and they're basically trying to make one model that can do everything: text generation, multimodal understanding, and text-to-image generation. And they're doing it all with diffusion models, which is quite interesting. So the basic idea here is that instead of having separate models for different modalities like most unified models do, autoregressive for text, diffusion for images, they're saying, let's just use diffusion for everything. They tokenize both the text and images into discrete tokens and then use masked token prediction, which is essentially discrete diffusion. Now, they claim three main contributions. First is this unified diffusion architecture, where everything goes through the same masked token prediction objective. Second is what they call mixed long-code fine-tuning. Basically, they train the model to output reasoning traces before giving answers. And third is UniGRPO, which is their take on reinforcement learning for diffusion models. Let me be honest here, the unified diffusion thing isn't exactly groundbreaking. The Large Language Diffusion Models paper already showed you can do text generation with diffusion. What's actually interesting is how they're handling the post-training. Most unified models just focus on pre-training and then kind of wave their hands at the fine-tuning part. These guys actually put effort into making the post-training work across all modalities. The mixed long-code thing is clever. They make the model output reasoning in a unified format across all tasks. Text reasoning, multimodal reasoning, even for image generation, where the model explains what it's going to generate. This is smart because it creates this synergy between tasks. When the model gets better at textual reasoning, it also gets better at explaining what images it should generate. Now, for UniGRPO, this is where it gets technical. The problem with applying RL to diffusion models is that computing log probabilities is a pain. Previous work either did expensive Monte Carlo sampling or took shortcuts that didn't really capture the diffusion process properly. Their solution is to sample different masking ratios during training, so the model sees the full denoising process from fully masked to nearly complete. It's more efficient than Monte Carlo, but still captures the multi-step nature of diffusion. Clever, though I wonder how sensitive this is to the exact sampling strategy. Performance-wise, they show competitive results across all three tasks. On multimodal understanding, they beat or match specialized models. For image generation, they get the best scores and image reward. And for text generation, they're competitive with Llama and Quen models. But here's where I get a bit skeptical. First, they're using an 8B parameter model, which is relatively small by today's standards. They admit this is a limitation, but then why not scale it up before publishing? Second, the synergy effects they show are nice, but the improvements aren't massive. Going from 17.4 to 73.4 on GSM 8K is good, but that's comparing their base model without any reasoning training to the final model. Also, while the unified diffusion approach is intellectually satisfying, is it actually better than just using the right tool for the job? Autoregressive models are really good at text, and continuous diffusion is really good at images. The fact that you can do everything with discrete diffusion doesn't mean you should. That said, I do appreciate that they actually tackled post-training seriously. Most papers in this space just pre-train a model and call it a day. The UniGRPO algorithm is genuinely useful and could probably be applied to other diffusion-based models. And the mixed long-code approach shows that you can get cross-modal benefits from unified training. One last thing, they show some nice ablations on their design choices. The uniformly random masking strategy they use for UniGRPO does seem more stable than alternatives. This kind of careful engineering is what you need to make these unified models actually work in practice. Overall, MMaDa is a solid piece of work. It's not revolutionary, but it shows that unified diffusion models can be competitive across multiple modalities if you put in the engineering effort. Whether this approach will scale to larger models and more complex tasks remains to be seen. But hey, At least they're not just claiming we unified everything and calling it a day. They actually did the work to make it perform well.